Hey everybody, how's it going? All right, well welcome to the science experiment number 4. And for this one, you're going to need a glass of water. It can't be a cup. It has to be a glass that you can see through. And you're gonna need some paper to draw things on. And you're gonna need a pencil or a pen or a marker. So, let me show you something really cool here. I'm going to draw this big black arrow on my paper, and watch what happens when I put this arrow behind the glass. Did you see that? Let's bring it back. Did you see how the arrow turned into a backwards arrow? It flipped around the other way. Right now it's pointing this way, but when it goes behind the glass, it's pointing the other way. Now watch what happens when I put it right behind the glass. Didn't do it that time. Whoa. Whoa. That's really cool. Just by putting things behind the glass, you can have them flip around. Watch this person here. I'm going to draw a person, and I'm going to make their eyes only looking that way. Now watch their eyes behind the glass. And they switch around to looking the other way. Whoa. So what I want you to do is just try some different things that you can put behind a glass and see how they look when they're behind the glass. You want to make sure you draw something that doesn't look the same both directions. Like if I drew this right here, this flower, that's not going to look too interesting because when the flower flips around, it pretty much just looks like itself. It pretty much doesn't change. So you want to have something that one side's different from the other so you can tell how it's changing when it goes behind the glass. And make sure you write down what you tried or draw pictures of what you tried so that I can see it. If you create something really cool that you need to film this in to me, you can try that too. All right. Have a great day.
All right. Well, I wanted to explain to you what's going on with that picture being flipped backwards because it's behind a glass of water. Well, it turns out that water can bend light. So if we look at a glass from the top, like this, where that circle is the glass, the water from the picture hits the glass, the light from the picture hits the glass and is bent so that the light from one side of the picture ends up on the other side when it gets to the other side of the glass, and the light from the other side of the picture ends up on the other side after it's past the glass. And so it makes the image look like it's flipped around. It's pretty amazing. One puzzle I haven't solved yet that maybe you can think about is, why does the image look right when the picture's right behind the glass? When I draw this little diagram when the picture's right behind the glass, it still seems to me like the light should be bending just as much and the picture should still be backwards. I think it has something to do with the light from the side we're supposed to see not having time to get to our eye, but I'm not quite sure how that works. One thing I discovered after I was trying to film this little explanation, I went back to my glass of water and I discovered if I put my eye really close to the glass, no matter where I move the picture, it looks the right way. It's not backwards anymore. So that's still something I'm puzzling out. If you figure it out, draw a picture of it, write down your explanation, tell me what you think is going on. All right. Have a great day.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just a reminder, make sure you turn in your work to me. Send your work to me and take a photo of it, send it in a text message so I get to see it. Also remember, the best way to keep track of our lessons is to use the web page, and there's that address to the web page right there. And also you can click on the link in the description below this video, and that will take you to the web page also, and that has all the lessons listed in order. You can also click on the little picture of me below this video, and that will take you to the channel, and there's a playlist for the language arts videos, and there's a playlist for the math videos that has all the videos in there too. Have a great day.